Yep, just like Animal Adventure. Put your hand out. Mmm.
Oh, he sniffed it. He didn't eat it.
Ooh. Super cool.
That is cool. Look at these cute animals. Hi, little pony. Hello. Oh, hello, little goats. Look at, there's a
You
donkey.
gonna feed the goats?
There's a sheep.
Sure.
Sure. Oh, yeah, he's into that. Says thank you very much.
We got a donkey and a pony.
Donkey and a pony.
Oh, I poked him with the
It's a
papers.
pony, right?
Oh, I didn't even get that on film. That was so funny. You want to have a little more? Good job. What a nice horsey. Good. You got some. Good job. Were you going to nibble my phone? You funny horsey. You're so cute. Here you go.